Solution of some important question for NEET from biology. Topic: plant morphology, root. Question number 1. Which among the following options contain mismatch pairs? Here, 1. Direct elongation of radicle is the primary root. Correct. Root system originating from the stem base is fibrous root. Correct match. Root not arising from the radicle is a stilt root. Stilt root is one of the type of adventitious root, so it is correct. The meristematic activity is in the region of elongation. Meristematic activity is not found in the region of elongation. Region of elongation is above the meristematic activity. So option number 4 is mismatch, and this is the answer. Next question: which of the following is incorrect here? 1. Root helps in water and mineral absorption from soil. Correct function of root. Number 2. Root provide proper anchorage. This is correct. Number 3. Root store food material and synthesize growth regulator. Also correct. Number 4. Root lack meristematic activity is not correct. So the incorrect statement is option number 4. Question number 3. Identify the mismatched pair. Number 1, prop root. This is provide support. It provides mechanical support to the huge stem and the plant. Number 2, still root originate from the stem's nodal part. This is correct. Pneumatophores help in storing food. This is wrong. So is the mismatched pair is option number 3. Edible root, sweet potato. This is correct. Question number 4. Which of the following is not correct? Number 1, in maize, root arises from the base of the stem. This is true because it has the fibrous roots, and fibrous root arise from the base of the stem in bunch. Number 2, in bryophyllum, root arise from the leaf. This is also correct. In bryophyllum, from the margin of the leaves, new roots and the plantlets develop and help in the vegetative reproduction. Number 3, carrot, Docus carota, have napiform root. This is incorrect. The root is not napiform, it is the conical root. Napiform root is found in beetroot and turnip. So the answer is option number 3. Number 4, mangroves, the rhizophora have respiratory roots or pneumatophore. This is correct. Question number 5, pneumatophores occurs in options are free-floating hydrophyte, carnivores. It is number 3 in the halophytes. Halophytes are the plants which grow in highly saline soil. Question number 6, the diagrammatic representation of the parts of the roots and their function. What indicates A to E in the below figure? A is the root here, B is the region of maturation, C is the region of elongation, D is the root cap, and E is the meristematic region. So our answer option will be number 2. Question number 7, which of the following is not correct? Option 1, primary roots and its branches make taproot system. This is correct. Number 2, fibrous root system developed from the radicle of the embryo. This is wrong, so not correct. The option number 2. Number 3, fibrous root system is common in monocot plant. This is correct. Number 4, adventitious roots are found in both dicot and monocot. This is true. Question number 8, sweet potato is a modified adventitious root. Sweet potato store food materials, so this is a storage root and it is adventitious root. Question number 9, read the following statement. A, the primary root and its branches constitute the taproot system. This is true. In dicotyledonous plant, the primary root is short-lived and is replaced by a number of roots. This is not correct. In dicotyledonous plant, the primary root is permanent and it forms the taproot system. C, the fibrous roots are observed in wheat plant, whereas taproots are observed in mustard plant. This is true because the wheat plant is monocot and mustard plant is dicot. D, the main function of root is producing nodes and internode. This is wrong. Root does not contain nodes and internodes. So here, how many of the given statements are correct? So we have got two statements, A and the statement C are correct. So our answer is option number 2, which indicate two statements are correct. Question number 10, match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option. Column 1 contain the different types of root, and column 2 is a type of plants where these roots are found. So here the taproot system found in mustard, prop root is found in the banyan, fibrous root system is found in wheat, and adventitious roots are found in monstera. So correct match is A with 2. A with 2 is only found in option number 3. So the answer is option number 3. Question number 11, root of which one of the following is not edible? Option 1, Beta vulgaris, the sugar beet. Option 2, Solanum tuberosum, the potato. Option 3, Docus carota, the carrot. And option 4, Raphanus sativum, the radish. Root of Solanum tuberosum is not edible. In Solanum tuberosum, it is the underground stem, that is the stem tuber is edible part, not the root. Question number 12, the root hairs are present in the option 1, region of elongation, region of maturation, root cap, region of meristematic activity. The root hairs are found in the region of maturation. Question number 13, in Rhizophora, roots are modified to form the pneumatophores or the respiratory root, which is for the exchange of gases. Question number 14, the origin of root hairs and lateral root is. Root hairs are the modified epidermal cells of the root, so it is exogenous, whereas the lateral roots are developed from the pericycle layer of the root, so it is endogenous. So option 1 is the answer. Subscribe, comment, and share the channel. Thank you.